चलिए एवरेज वैल्यू ऑफ अल्टरनेटिंग करंट, राइट, एवरेज वैल्यू ऑफ अल्टरनेटिंग करंट. So for one complete cycle, average value of alternating current is 0. For half cycle, current is positive, and for half cycle, current is negative. So average value of alternating current for one complete cycle is 0. I is equal to I0 sin omega t. So value from 0 to t by 2 is positive, and t by 2 to t is negative. Okay. When we add these two values, then we get 0. So for complete half cycle, for one cycle of alternating current, alternating current, average value of alternating current is 0. I mean is 0. ठीक है, because for half cycle positive, for half cycle negative. When we add, then we get 0. So for one complete cycle of alternating current, average value is 0. ठीक है. So we define for half cycle, we define average value of alternating current for half cycle. ठीक है. So for to define average value of alternating current for half cycle, we add from 0 to t by 2. We add from 0 to t by 2 and divide this by half time period. ठीक है. तो to add this, we integrate this curve from 0 to t by 2. ठीक है. तो alternating current at any moment, alternating current at any moment t, alternating current at any moment t, at any moment t is given by t is equal I is equal to I0 sin omega t, I0 sin omega t. So we can write this I is equal to I0 sin omega 2 pi n, omega angular frequency 2 pi into frequency, angular frequency 2 pi into frequency. ठीक है. So I is equal to I0 sin 2 pi n. तो n is 1 by t, so we write here 1 upon t into t. So this is the current at any moment t. Now, so average value of alternating current for half cycle, average value of alternating current, average value of alternating current for half cycle, alternating current for half cycle, current for half cycle. Half cycle I mean is equal to, we integrate this equation from 0 to t by 2. So I mean is equal to integration 0 to t by 2 I dt upon integration 0 to t by 2 g. तो I main is equal to right value 0 to t by 2 I. Right value of I, तो I is I0 sin 2 pi capital T into small t dt whole upon integration of 0 to t by 2 dt. So I main is equal to I main is equal to I0 is a constant. So integration of constant time function is equal to constant time integration of function. So I0 integration sin 2 pi capital T into t dt upon integration of dt is t, the right here t 0 to t by 0 to t by, ठीक है. So I main is equal to I mean is equal to 0. I mean MEAN.
हाँ वो समझ में आ रहा है.
तो I bar is equal to I0, ठीक है. Now integrate this. The integration of sin is minus cos 2 pi upon t minus cos 2 pi upon t into t, ठीक है, और into into 2 pi upon capital T is constant, ठीक है. 2 pi upon capital T is constant. So 2 pi upon capital T into pi d by dx sin kx is equal to minus k cos kx, ठीक है. So 2 pi upon t is a constant, so it multiply this. Limit is from 0 to t by 2. Limit is from 0 to t by 2. ठीक है. और here t by 2 minus 0. So I bar is equal to 2 pi I0 upon t. To write this value here. So integrate. तो I bar is equal to I0 into integration of integration of sin kx dx is equal to minus k time minus cos kx upon k, ठीक है. So according to this integration of this become I0 minus cos 2 pi upon capital T into t whole upon 2 pi upon capital T. Limit 0 to t half. Limit 0 to t half. Whole upon t by 2 minus 0, t by 2 minus 0, ठीक है. तो this become I bar is equal to I0 t upon 2 pi, ठीक है, minus cos 2 pi upon t into t, 0 to t by 2, 0 to t by 2, ठीक है? और this become t by 2, तो t by 2 to come in numerator upon t cancel हो. Now substitute upper limit with minus lower limit, right? 2 to cancel out, so I bar is equal to I0 upon pi into minus right upper limit, तो cos of 2 pi upon capital T into t by 2 minus cos of 0, ठीक है? t cancel, 2 cancel, so this becomes I bar is equal to
dt sin square theta
कॉपी देखिए कौन हाँ देखो so this becomes I bar is equal to I0 upon pi minus cos pi minus 1 cos 0 minus 1, ठीक है? तो this become 2 I0 upon pi minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1, तो 2 I0 upon pi, so I bar is equal to 2 upon pi is 22 by 7 into I0, so I bar is equal to 7 by 11 into I0, ठीक है? तो divide 7 by 11, then you get I bar is equal to 0.6, 11 6 is 66, 11 3 is 11 6 is 11 3 is I0, so I bar is equal to 63.63%, ठीक है, into I0. So thus average value of alternating current is 63.63% of its peak value. Average value of alternating current is equal to 63.63% of peak value. Right result, average value of alternating current is equal to 63.63% of peak value.